Hello guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to install the Source Clone OBS plugin on Windows. First open your browser and search for Source Clone on Google. Then open the website and click on the download button. Then you will see two download options, the installer and the manual zip file. Download the installer, then open the zip file and extract it to your desktop using a prepared extraction tool. Next, open the install and make sure the OBS installation path is correct. If it isn't, select the correct path and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the OBS Studio and make sure you already have a few sources added. Now click the plus icon in the source panel and choose Source Clone. Then select clone type to source and the canvas to main. Then select the source you want to clone. If you want to press clone without any filters, click the no filters option. After that, click OK and your clone source is ready to use. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.